I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off next word suggestions while you're typing on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and then tap System in this menu. Step 2. Tap Keyboard. The associated menu is shown. Step 3. Tap On-Screen Keyboard. Step 4. Tap Gboard. The next screen shows you options for your Android device's Google Gboard keyboard. Step 5. Tap Text Correction. Step 6. Navigate to the Suggestions section. If you just want to stop getting a next word suggestion on your Android device, tap to toggle off next word suggestions. Alternatively, if you also want to turn off the entire suggestion strip, tap to toggle off Show Suggestion Strip. Your changes will be applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.